The Mouse and the New Cat. Basic English. A mouse lives under the floorboards of an old house. A family moves in. The mouse is upset to find the family owns a cat. The mouse considers moving to a new place. As he does so, the cat starts speaking to him. The cat tells the mouse that he has no interest in him. He says that his owners feed him very well. Catching the mouse is too much trouble. If the mouse stays out of trouble, there will be no problems. The mouse replies very politely. But because he is cautious, the mouse sneaks under the floorboards and spies on the cat. He sees the cat sharpening his claws. The cat has a deadly look in his eyes. When the mouse sees this, he packs up his things to leave. The mouse tells himself that the cat may say anything, but this sight says a whole lot more. Intermediate English. There was a mouse who lived under the floorboards of an old house. When a family moved in, the mouse was concerned to learn they owned a cat. He was considering moving to a new place, when the cat appeared near his mouse hole and started speaking to him. The cat told the mouse that he had no interest in trying to catch him. His owners fed him well enough, and he was too old to be chasing a mouse around. If the mouse would just stay out of trouble, the cat explained, they would have no problems. The mouse politely thanked the cat for his kind words. But because he was cautious, the mouse snuck under the floorboards in the kitchen to spy on the cat a little. While he was there, he saw the cat sharpening his claws with a deadly look in his eyes. As soon as he saw this, the mouse started packing his things. The cat might say anything, the mouse told himself, but what he just saw said a whole lot more. Advanced English. There once was a mouse living under the floorboards of an old house. A family moved in, and the mouse was chagrined to discover they had a cat with them. The mouse was mulling over the idea of moving to a new place, when the cat poked his head near the mouse hole and started speaking to him. "I can smell you in there, little mouse," the cat told him, "and let me assure you I have no interest in you at all. I'm getting on in years, and my owners feed me so well that catching you would be more trouble than you're worth. Just keep yourself out of the way down there and we'll get along." Famously. "Very well," the mouse replied courteously. But the mouse was a cautious fellow, and he snuck under one of the floorboards in the kitchen, where he could spy on the cat through a little hole that he had made. Sure enough, he found the cat carefully sharpening his claws with a murderous glint in his eyes. As soon as the mouse saw this, he started packing his things to leave. "Let him say what he will," the mouse said to himself, "but what I just saw said a whole lot more." Moral. Actions speak louder than words. Study questions. 1. What does the cat say to the mouse to try to reassure him? 2. Why does the mouse decide to spy on the cat? 3. Where does the mouse go to spy on the cat? 4. What does the mouse see that makes him think the cat was lying? 5. How does the story show the moral? Before proceeding further, let me share something truly exciting with you all. I'm thrilled to introduce you to our live English practice sessions. Join us every Monday to Friday for a dynamic 2-hour session filled with fun, laughter, and plenty of learning. So, why should you join us, you ask? Well, imagine being able to express yourself with ease, charm, and confidence in any situation. Yep, that's the kind of fluency we're here to help you achieve. Our sessions are designed to make learning feel like a breeze, with interactive activities, engaging discussions, and a supportive community cheering you on. And here's the kicker: mastering English opens up a world of possibilities. Picture yourself acing that job interview, wowing your colleagues with your presentation skills, or effortlessly making new friends from all corners of the globe. With English in your toolkit, the sky's the limit. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to level up your language skills and join us in our live English practice sessions. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your skills, there's a spot for you in our vibrant community. Get ready to speak English like a pro. Join our live English practice sessions on WhatsApp. How to join? Simply reach out to us on WhatsApp at 897-974-9087 to sign up for our sessions. Our friendly team will guide you through the registration process and provide you with all the details you need to get started. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to enhance your English skills. Contact us on WhatsApp today and take the first step towards becoming a confident English speaker. Now let's learn vocabulary. Not sure of the meanings of words in one of the stories? Use the vocabulary builder. 1. Chagrin, verb, to feel distress or humiliation. The past tense is chagrined. Example from the story The Mouse and the New Cat. A family moved in, and the mouse was chagrined to discover they had a cat with them. Chagrin is also a noun meaning distress or embarrassment at failure, or humiliation. Example, much to my chagrin, my presentation was a failure. 2. Concerned, adjective, worried, troubled, or anxious. Example from the story The Mouse and the New Cat. When a family moved in, the mouse was concerned to learn they owned a cat. 3. Courteously, adverb, in a way that is polite and shows respect. Example from the story The Mouse and the New Cat. Very well, the mouse replied courteously. The adjective form is courteous, meaning polite, respectful, or considerate in manner. The mouse was always courteous to his guests. 4. Glint, noun, a small flash of light, especially as reflected from a shiny surface. Example from the story The Mouse and the New Cat. Sure enough, he found the cat carefully sharpening his claws with a murderous glint in his eyes. 5. Mull over, phrasal verb, to think carefully about something. Example, I need some time to mull over your offer. The participial form is mulling over. Example from the story The Mouse and the New Cat. The mouse was mulling over the idea of moving to a new place when the cat poked his head near the mousehole and started speaking to him. Study questions, answers and 1. Question: what does the cat say to the mouse to try to reassure him? Answer: the cat says that he is getting older, getting on in years, and is fed so well by his owners that trying to catch the mouse is too much trouble. Catching you would be more trouble than you're worth. 2. Question: why does the mouse decide to spy on the cat? Answer: the mouse is a cautious fellow, so he spies on the cat just to make sure the cat was telling the truth. 3. Question: where does the mouse go to spy on the cat? Answer: the mouse goes under one of the floorboards in the kitchen and spies on the cat through a little hole in one of the boards. 4. Question: what does the mouse see that makes him think the cat was lying? Answer: the mouse sees the cat carefully sharpening his claws with a murderous glint in his eyes. 5. Question: how does the story show the moral? Answer: while the cat's words tried to reassure the mouse that he meant him no harm, his actions of sharpening his claws with a deadly look on his face made the mouse suspicious of a lie. Rather than take any chances, the mouse leaves. So everyone, this is your today's story. Thank you for joining us on this language journey. If you enjoyed today's story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content like this. We'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts on today's story in the comments below. What was your favorite part? Which vocabulary word surprised you the most? Let's keep the conversation going. See you in the next video.